In this video, we are going to see how we can make a stand in Please Donate on Roblox. So let's get started with this video. So in order to put something in the Please Donate, we need to create some item that we need to place on that stand in the Please Donate option, right? So we head over to roblox.com and log in with your profile. And once we are in here, we need to create a Gamepass in Roblox. So what we do is we head over to create option on the top right hand corner. And from here, if you're, let's say, on the home tab, you click on creations and there you go. You will have whatever game saved as your place. And from here, you will have your place here. So basically, all users will find a place for their individual ID here. So once you click on that, just open this up. So from here, we head over to the monetization and select passes here. And you need to enable it now. Click on proceed. Click yes, I'm enable. Click yes, enable. And now you can create a pass from here. Click on that. And from here, if you want, we can change it and just directly upload any image for our passes directly from our computer. It can be a JPEG image, a PNG or BMP, but we don't need it actually because in stand it will not be very visible or displayed. So we can name it. Let's say this is a test pass. And that is the only requirement in creating a game pass. As you can see, the static is only next to game name and not the description. So if you want, you can copy and paste the same description or you can leave it blank as well. So we scroll down and we click on create game pass and there you go. This is our pass created. And as you can see, the current price is set to off sale in the test pass. So we need to list a price for this in order to accept donations. We click on test pass and on the left hand side, we have the sales option. Click on that. And we need to list it item for sale. But just remember, whatever price you will select, the creator earnings will only be 70% and Roblox takes 30% from that. So enable the pricing region, view all. And as you can see all the details, click on save changes. And once we are done with this, we head over to roblox.com and from the home tab, we will search for Please Donate. Search it here in the game and here it is. And as you can see, Please Donate is a game where you can raise Robux or donate Robux to others how to play. This is all instructions about it. So we click on that and we play it and it will be loaded in the application. So open the game client. And once we open this up in the application, let's play it. And here you can just find an empty stand. As you can see your text here, it says we can take this stand if we want to. We click on E to claim it and we can hit the E button, hold it, and then you can basically claim it. And it says that you're new to the game. Would you like to have a quick tutorial? Click no. And you can select a basic booth. Let's say I choose that. And you can add any text to it. Text color, you can add it like that. However you want to customize. And basically we write any text here. Please donate, let's say. So now it's applied. And just remember guys, it says that if this is set to private, you need to make it public. You click on that and click on make public. You click on the three dots and make it public. And once you're public, you can basically add your donations and edit it however you want. But always make sure that if you're creating the Please Donate stand for yourself, the maturity level should be also set according to that. So let's go to the Roblox settings, click on the gear icon, click on the settings, and here we click on privacy and content and click on content maturity, and you will set the accurate maturity in order to create a stand there. So hopefully if you're already using the Please Donate button, you should be able to create it without any issue. But if not, you can set a maturity level from here. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.